Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Dogday from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started right in the center, and we're going to just draw in a curved line from left to right for the nose. Let's move underneath now, starting from the left hand side, and we're going to curve this line all the way around and through on the right. In the center, let's draw in a highlight. So we're going to draw in another sideways oval, just connecting that to the line on the top. And then we're just going to color the nose in black. Now let's frame in the mouth. So we're going to start on both sides, curving this line over and through towards the side. We're going to draw in the corner bracket on the mouth now. So we're going to curve this line around and through. Let's close this off on the bottom. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this around and through towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving this back around and in, connecting that together on the bottom. Stepping up for the tongue, we're going to arch this line through towards the left, starting back on that line, curving this around and down on the right. Let's frame in the rest of the mouth. Starting on the corner from the nose, we're going to curve this line down, up, arching this back in for the cheek. And then we're going to flip over on the right and just replicate that. Let's come underneath, curving this around, back in to close off the corner of the cheek. And now let's close off the chin. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, arching this line around and through towards the middle. And then we'll step over on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, blending that in together on the bottom. Let's frame in the shape of the head now. So on the top left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and through towards the center. And now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and down on the right. Now let's draw in the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this around and then down. We'll step over on the right, leaving a small gap in the center and replicating that. Let's draw in a nice big circle right in the middle. And now we're just going to color in the rest of that pupil black. Now on the right hand side, starting from the top, we're going to close off the patch here. So we're just going to curve this around and down towards our nose. Stepping up for our eyebrows, we're going to arch this line down and through on both sides. And now let's step across and draw in the ear. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same on the right, just lining it up at the same height. Now starting on the top, stepping through, we're going to curve this line up, down, and over towards the side of our page. Now let's curve the ears out. So starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and through on the side. Let's step down in the center and draw in the pendant now. So we're going to draw in a circle right in the middle. Starting on the top, we're going to draw in a small curved line. On both sides of that, we're going to replicate that. Let's come down in the middle, drawing in another curved line. Again, coming down on a diagonal, curving this in, leaving a gap in the center. And then again, we're just going to draw in another curved line from left to right. We'll draw in two diagonal lines coming up towards our chin. And now let's close off the torso. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and through, and we'll do the same thing on the right. And then right in the center, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Starting right in the middle here, we're going to arch this line around and back up on the side. And now let's close off the leg. So in the middle, stepping over on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. Let's close off our feet. So from the inside here, we're going to curve this line around and then back in, just leaving a gap. And then we're going to close this off with a diagonal line coming in towards the top. Let's close off the feet here. We're going to draw in a curved line, lining it up at the same height on the left-hand side, replicating that. And now let's draw on the toes. So we're going to curve this line around and in towards the center. We're going to do that twice. We'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. Now let's draw in the arms. So we're going to start on the top, curving this line out. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here for the thumb, we're going to curve this line in, around, and back down. We're going to leave a small gap, stepping up, curving this line over in the palm. And then right underneath that, we're going to curve this line over and through. Now stepping up for our first finger, let's arch this around and back in. In the center, we're going to draw in another arch line, curving this around, back down, connecting it together, back on that line. And then lastly, we're just going to draw in the pinky. So we're going to start in the corner again, curving this around and through. And now from there, from the corner, curving this around and back in to close off the bottom of the hand. Let's step across now. We're going to curve this diagonal line down towards the palm of our hand. Closing off the wrist here, we're going to arch this up towards the top. And then lastly, let's just draw in our tail. So starting on the right hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. And then stepping down underneath, we're going to curve this back around and through towards our right leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Dogday. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.